Hello viewers, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today, let's make a lotus. These are the lotus. For this, I am taking one square shaped paper and I am going to fold it like this, two sides. Now, we need to hold the two sides like this and press in this way. See, you can see. Yes. Now fold the sides in this way. And turn this. Now again folding. Okay, here you can see this hole. We can blow air from the hole so that we can press these easily. See, I'm fixing one into the other. Okay, now again okay, now let's blow air again. See, it puffed up. Now let's fold these edges. See, our lotus is ready. Now let's make the stem. For this, here I am taking this paper. See, this is a triangle shaped paper. You can even take a square shaped paper also, and then you can start folding from the edges like this. You can roll the paper like this. Here I am applying the glue. Now the stem is ready. As I already told you, there is a hole. We can put the stem inside the hole. See? That's it. Our lotus is ready. Hope you like this video. Please try to make this lotus at your home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.